I stand here today in awe of the beautiful person you are, both inside and out. From this moment on, I vow to always cherish and respect you as my partner in life. I promise to be your safe haven, your confidant, and your best friend. I vow to support your dreams, inspiration, and to help you achieve them in any way that I can. I promise to love you unconditionally, to honor you, and to be faithful to you for all eternity. I will be there for you through thick and thin, to laugh with you in joy, and to comfort you in sorrow. I am so blessed to have you in my life, and I look forward to creating a beautiful future together, filled with love, laughter, and adventure.
From this day forward, I vow to be your partner in all things. I vow to support you, encourage you, and challenge you to be the best version of yourself. I promise to be your rock, your confidant, and your safe haven. I vow to always listen to you with an open heart and mind, and communicate with you honestly and respectfully. I promise to cherish you, to honor you, and to be faithful to you for as long as we both shall live. I am so grateful to have you in my life, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my days loving and growing with you.
With the power given to me by the state of California and the Ministry of Salvation Church of God, Inc., I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. To everyone here today, Mr. and Mrs. Txoj.
Love each other.
Like you love yourself.
We're just standing here watching. That's right.
Chỉ bao gió dài